9 upon 6 is raised to the power of 9 upon 6. How to solve this? So 9 upon 6 raised to the power of 9 upon 6. We can reduce the fraction of 9 upon 6 if we divide both the numerator and denominator by 3. So this is 3 times 3 and this is 3 times 2 is 6. We can also reduce the fraction in the exponent. 3 times 3 and it is 3 times 2 is 6. So 9 upon 6 is equivalent to 3 upon 2. So this we can write it as 3 upon 2 raised to the power of 3 upon 2. Now this is in the form of a raised to the power of m upon n. And this we can write it as a raised to the power of m whole raised to the power of 1 upon n. So this we can write it as 3 upon 2 whole raised to the power 3, then all raised to the power of 1 upon 2. Now 1 upon 2 in the exponent means square root. So 3 upon 2 raised to the power 3 under square root, or this we can write it as 3 upon 2 square times 3 upon 2, because 3 we can write it as 2 plus 1, and a raised to the power m plus n we can write it as a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n under square root, or this is 3 upon 2 raised to the power 2 under square root times 3 upon 2 under square root. Now we can remove this square root with this square. So this is 3 upon 2 times square root of 3 upon 2. Now this is 3 upon 2 times square root of 3 upon square root of 2, because a upon b under square root we can write it as square root of a upon square root of b. Now to remove the square root from the denominator, we multiply and divide it with square root of 2 so that it becomes a real number. For that, in the denominator there should not be any radical. So 3 upon 2 times square root of 3 times square root of 2 is square root of 6, and square root of 2 square, we can remove this square root with this square. So it is 3 times square root of 6 upon 2 times 2. So 3 upon 4 times square root of 6. This is our answer. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.